Hi guys, it's your Ingeniero Chuper and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back here at Roadstar after 6 months. The last time I visited here was when I had my unit wheel aligned after I had my upgrade for my mugs and wheels. Wheel alignment, sir?
Ari lang ta, sir.
Okay. Good thing available sila kasi hindi ako tumawag para magpa-reserve. So ayan, inaasikaso na yung unit ko. The good thing about Roadstar is marami yung facilities nila. Maaasikaso agad yung unit mo. So while they are working on my unit, we are here at the waiting lounge. They have the TV, aircon, food and drinks. So hindi maboboard yung mga kasama ko while waiting for my unit. And since hindi ako makapaghintay, pinuntahan ko yung unit ko para din may pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung ginagawa nila when they do wheel alignment. So eto, naka-attach na yung mga aparatus para sa wheel alignment. And eto yung system nila. Meron talaga silang dedicated for MG5. As far as I know, si Roadstar pa lang ang merong system for MG5. Even the Casa don't have the system para sa wheel alignment. So eto guys, may result na. So you can see may red at saka green. So itong red, kailangang i-adjust, which is a toe, and yung green is a camber. So sinasabi ng mekaniko na there's no need to worry about the camber kasi yung toe lang ang may kailangang i-adjust. So without further ado, sinimulan na nila yung pag-adjust. By the way guys, one of the reasons why ibinalik ko yung unit ko for a wheel alignment checkup kasi I can remember one time na naibunggo ko yung unit ko sa gutter, and from then on, napapansin ko na kumakabig na yung manibela ko to the right. At the same time, para din ma-check nila yung unit ko if meron bang mga parts na kailangang palitan in the next 6 months for my next visit. So, heto na. Habang ina-adjust ng mekaniko, gumagalaw itong arrow sa screen. Ang ginagawa ng mekaniko, habang ina-adjust niya, nakatingin siya sa screen para ma-monitor niya ang adjustment. So, eto, sabi nila, goods na. So, lilipat na sila sa driver's side to do the necessary adjustment para makorek ang wheel alignment. So, same thing, gumagalaw itong arrow. Medyo malaki yung adjustment, but nothing to worry kasi everything can be corrected. Alright, all is green, so we're good to go and confirmed by the mechanic na align na yung front wheels ko. And also confirmed na no parts for replacement. And ito yung printed copy ng result. Owner's copy ito, so I can keep this for future reference. And again, thanks to this mechanic na nag-lead sa wheel alignment ko and to the rest of the team. Now, I am good to go. But before anything else, babayaran muna natin ang bills. Just an update, ang wheel alignment service nila worth 900 pesos compared to the last time na 800. After paying, heto si Caleb amazed by the big wheels. Yes. Next time, if you have your monster truck na ha? Oh, that's a rhino. Rhino. There's another rhino. Rhino. Come on, let's go. Thanks to Roadstar, my unit is ready for the next 6 months.